Now the text was extracted from the image and automatically save as sound file.
The only way to learn new programming language is to write programs in it.
Don't give up. Keep practicing. Then your code shows the result.
Good day, code endeavors. Today we are going to learn something new using Pytessaract. This is a simple Python project that extracts the text file from the image, get the text from the text file, and convert to sound file using Google text-to-speech module. Here we need to import 4 modules. The first one is image from Python imaging library. It provides a Python interpreter with imaging editing capabilities. The next one is Google text-to-speech, the Python library and the CLI tool to interface with Google Translate's text-to-speech API. And the important module, Pytessaract, is always your tool to read text embedded in image. And the OS module is for accessing the MP3 file, sound file. Okay, first install Pytessaract and Google text-to-speech module. Also, you need to install Tesseract application. You can download application. Please check the link in description. Okay, it was done. Now coming to the best part, coding. Okay, importing all the 4 modules, image library, Google to text speech, Pytessaract, and the OS module for accessing the file. Now we need to map the tesseract.exe file. You have to check your system program files path. Now we are going to create a function, convert to source, and passing image as an argument. Inside that we are using try and exam statements. First we are creating variable to open the image, then using Pytessaract to process the image. And joining space and new line to order the text extracted. Now using the print function to check the extracted text from the image. We need to convert the text to audio file, and we are using gTTS module to save it to audio file as a sound.mp3 file, and using OS module to open the mp3 file. Then return statement to return the function. Then we are using exception function if any error is coming. And we are installation main to call the function. That's all from the coding part. Now we are going to run the code. Yes, the awesome has happened now. You can able to see the text is printed.
The only way to learn new programming language is to write programs in it.
And the sound file is working. Here you can able to see the source folder, the Python file is there, and the image file we have kept here, and the sample text file, it was automatically created. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any doubt, and please like, share and subscribe.